Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to open a kitten cafe. There's 6 plush or 5 in a cup. So ready? Let's open it. There. Look at these. Oh, look at this one. Oh, this is a cute one. They're small. They're about like the size of your palm, I guess. Big. Okay, there's what's this one? He's like, yeah, wee. Okay, got this one. This one's my favorite, I have to say. Out of these 3. Well, let's keep opening. Maybe it'll be a new favorite. Oh, this one's cute. Little paws. It's not focusing. Come on, camera, just focus for the YouTubers. They want to see my videos. They want to see this video. They want to see this kitty's footprint. Oh, little grumpy cat. I like that. I think that rhymes. Ooh, this is my new favorite. I like this song. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, and I do videos. I'm gonna start doing videos every Thursday and Friday. So yeah. And sometimes not Thursday, but mostly Fridays, okay? Bye guys. Meow. Hello, little meow. Hello, make sure to subscribe. Yeah. But, what are you doing in there, meow? I'm having a blasting fun time. What are you doing? Get out of there, would you? But you seem like you've been in there forever. No one's ever had enough. Whoa, I was gonna say face. Meow!